In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change recent file settings in Excel. This quick adjustment controls how many recent workbooks appear in your list, which is great for balancing convenience and privacy. Maybe you want a longer list so your go-to files are always one click away, or maybe you prefer a shorter list to reduce clutter or keep your work more private on a shared computer. Either way, you can fine-tune it in just a moment. Start by opening Excel and heading to the File tab. You'll find it in the upper left corner of the window. The File tab takes you to the Backstage view, where you manage settings, accounts, and document options rather than editing the spreadsheet itself. From here, look for Options near the bottom of the left-hand menu. Options opens the main settings window for Excel, and this is where we'll make the change. In the Excel Options window, select the Advanced category on the left. Advanced contains a long list of features and behavior controls, so don't worry if it looks busy at first. We're going to scroll to a specific area. Within the Advanced page, make your way down to the Display section. Display is where Excel groups settings that affect how information is shown, including the control we need for recent files. Now find the setting labeled Show this number of recent workbooks. This is the field that determines how many items appear in your recent files list. Enter the number that works best for you, keeping in mind that Excel enforces an upper limit, and it should be below 50. If you set it to 0, the recent list is effectively hidden, which can be useful on a shared device. If you work with many files every day, a higher number can save time by keeping more of your history visible. For most people, somewhere between 10 and 25 strikes a good balance. Once you've chosen your number, confirm and close the Options window to apply the change. The next time you visit the home screen or go to File and then Open, you'll see your recent list reflect the new limit. If you don't notice a difference immediately, make sure you're using the desktop version of Excel and not a restricted environment where settings are managed by your organization. And that's it. You've adjusted the recent file settings in Excel, giving yourself faster access to the workbooks you use most, or a cleaner, more private workspace if that's what you prefer. Thanks for watching, and if this was helpful, consider applying the same approach in other Office apps to keep your workflow consistent.